traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala, etc. Approach Ebona at the 103.5 FM Ogidi today to document your event. Ebona at the 103.5 FM offers you live coverage of your events on radio and social media, video and photo coverages, feature on magazines, photo books, and others, news coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside the Ovin Residency Hotel Ogidi.
Good evening and welcome. Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 24th day of December 2024, and the time is 5 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Anambra government voice a traditional election in Oba community. Lagos, Enugu governments now CWEIC's newest strategic partners. OTI appoints Abia State Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board. Uzodinma presents 755.5 billion naira as a 2025 budget before Imo Assembly. Nigeria's Lookman wants Lazio after firing Atlanta to Empoli win. Former US President Bill Clinton hospitalized with fever. Now, details. Anambra government to voice traditional election in Oba community. The Anambra government has said that the Oba community in Idemili local government area does not have a traditional ruler at the moment. Mr. Tony Collins Nwabunwanne, Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, said this at a news conference in Oka on Monday. The people of Oba had allegedly conducted an election for a successor to Igwe Peter Ezenwa, who died in 2018. Nwabunwanne said there was no election allegedly conducted by the community that was known to the government, which had full supervisory power over community and union matters. He said there was a superseding court order stopping the conduct of elections into the traditional ruler's seat of Oba community, and any exercise in contempt of court would not be recognized by the government. He said that the government did not supervise the process as the law demanded because it was conducted in contempt of court. Lagos, Enugu governments now CWEIC's newest strategic partners. The Lagos and Enugu state governments have both joined as strategic partners of the Commonwealth Enterprise and Investment Council. This was disclosed to journalists in Lagos recently by the Chief Executive Officer of CWEIC, Mrs. Rosie Glazebrook. Glazebrook told journalists during her recent visit to Nigeria that she met with the Lagos State Governor, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, and some of his Executive Council members, including the Honorable Commissioner for Commerce, Cooperatives, Trade and Investment, Mrs. Faloshade Ambrose Medebem, for a strategic partnership signing ceremony for the Lagos State government to officially join CWIC as a strategic partner at the Lagos House Marina. She also used her current visit to Nigeria to co-chair the Nigerian Advisory Council with Mr. Olosopo Shafore, son of partner Africa Law Practice NG and Co, adding that CWEIC has 25 strategic partners based in Nigeria. Grace Brook explained that one of the cardinal goals of the council is breaking down barriers to trade for foreign investors to come to Nigeria, especially in the area of standards. Oti appoints Abia State Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board. Governor-elect Oti of Abia State has appointed Chief Imam Sheikh Ali Okaiwu as the chairman of Abia State Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board. The appointment was announced on Monday by Okoha Njoku Okoha, the chief press secretary to the governor. Oti also appointed members of the Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board, including Imam Musa Iro Yusuf Ukebu Mwakamma Abubakar Igwe, Imam Bashir Idris, and Imam Usman Tuko. Other members of the board are Adamu Audu, Okikade Yusuf, Saeed Umar, Hajia Azizat Jimo, and Hajia Hasidat Usman Pepe. Uzodinma presents 755.5 billion naira as 2025 budget before Imo Assembly. The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, has presented the 2025 budget before the State Assembly. Presenting the budget titled Budget of Expanded Economic Opportunities on the floor of the House, the governor informed the lawmakers that the total amount of the budget is 755 billion, with a recurrent expenditure of 112 billion and a capital expenditure of 643 billion. Osadema maintained that all the ministries and other relevant sectors were captured in the 2025 appropriation bill to ensure that all segments get a positive impact from the budget. Giving a summary of budget, the governor explained that the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure Development got 46% of the budget with a total sum of 296 billion, followed by the Ministry of Transportation with a total sum of 101 billion, while the Ministry of Education got the least amount with 7 billion. Buzodema said his priority is to concentrate on the total implementation of the budget to achieve maximum results. Nigeria's Lookman wants Lazio after firing Atlanta to Empoli win. Super Eagles star Ademola Lookman has won Lazio to be ready for battle when they City trade tackles with Atlanta this weekend. Fresh from winning the African Best Player of the Year award, Lookman was on target for Atlanta as Gian Piero Gasperin's men fought out a trailing 3-2 victory over Empoli on Sunday. It was Atlanta's 13th league win of the season, which catapulted the club back to the top of the Italian Serie A table above title rivals Napoli. Atlanta will end the year 2024 as league leaders with a victory over Lazio, and Lookman insists that would be the target when the two teams face off at the Stadio Olimpico in Roma. You are listening to news updates on Ebon at the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Former U.S. President Bill Clinton hospitalized with fever. Former U.S. President Bill Clinton was admitted to a hospital in Washington, D.C. on Monday afternoon for testing and observation after he developed a fever. The 78-year-old was hospitalized in the MedStar Georgetown University Hospital. Local news reported that it was not an emergency situation. He remains in good spirits and deeply appreciates the excellent care he is receiving. Angel Urena, Clinton's deputy chief of staff, said in a statement on social media platform X, Clinton served 2 terms as the 42nd president from 1993 to 2001. More recently, he addressed the Democratic National Convention while campaigning for Vice President Kamala Harris' bid for the White House. The ex-president has had a number of health issues since his time in office. Clinton underwent a quadruple bypass surgery in 2004. after experiencing continuous chest pains and returned to the hospital for a partially collapsed lung in 2005. In 2021, the former president was hospitalized again for an infection which had spread to his bloodstream. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebon at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra government voiced a traditional election in Oba community. Lagos, Enugu government now CWEIC's newest strategic partners. OTI appoints Abia State Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board. Uzodinma presents 755.5 billion naira as 2025 budget before Imo Assembly. Nigeria's Lookman warns Lazio after firing Atlanta to Empoli win. Former US President Bill Clinton hospitalized with fever. You just listened to news updates on Ebona the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Shuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and the 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. The challenges of documenting memories in the 21st century is gone. When you have Ebona the 103.5 FM here, what are you celebrating today? Birthdays, wedding anniversary, traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala, etc. Approach Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi today to document your event. Ebona the 103.5 FM offers you live coverage of your events on radio and social media, video and photo coverages feature on magazines, photo books and others, news coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside the Ovin Residency Hotel Ogidi. Ebona the 103.5 FM Napapoa Production. My business. When I will tell you AJ radio drama, Erico. AJ radio drama, Erico, Ghana Dialogue every Monday, 8 o'clock p.m. Broadcast on Saturday, 3 o'clock p.m. Now, Ebona 103.5 FM. If you know by finish your Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonade 103.5 FM with Martin in every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process, views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonade 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date. Residency Hotels Leofino Ogidi. Ogidi's number one place for all type of events. Burunia Dewa from corporate to social gathering or any type of parties, even end of year parties on the club. We have air-conditioned hall, an outdoor space of a very good capacity. When Neviano, come, let us celebrate your event in style. Residency Hotel Leofino Ogidi. If you are somebody with a taste, when Emmanuel back in the I want delicious meals, drinks and spirits brewed in different parts of the world. For booking, call 081 45 67 8901. One more. Come, let's make your event come through the way it's dream or your plan of wire. Residency Hotels Leofilo Gidi or Gidi's best place for premium events. Ask for an amagoroge. It's time to get ready for the most anticipated event of the year, Adogidi Beauty Pageant. Date 30th December 2024. Your voucher is your ticket to an unforgettable night of top entertainment featuring the sensational Dorime Dance Crew, comedy, traditions, and culture. It's premium or nothing, so dress to impress. And the hosting of the event is the one and the only MC Hamatan at Dogidi Beauty Pageant. Date 30th December 2024. Time 5 p.m. Venue Residency Hotel Leofino Gidi. Call 080-6329-0766 or 090-1356-6263. For table reservations, get your vouchers now. Get your voucher for table 100,000 naira, VIP 50,000 naira, and regular for each person 5,000 naira at the port of entry. We are grateful to our sponsors, Kemp Total Homes Limited, Lagos, Castro International Limited, Holland, SVA Properties Limited, Abuja, Ebonadi FM, Ogidi. Be part of the magic. Luxury or nothing.
Are you married or single? We are going to know you can acquire by your losing money. In a way, some woman in a relationship with him of a marriage, you know, from one from the beginning of a disposal or badara. I guess such a lasting solution to problem in when a marriage to him of a relationship. Of a massive share the problem on Love Clinic 103.5 everyone at the FM. Such no more, Macanega Love Danger, the Love Doctor and a Love Clinic. So, what you know when a marriage to him of a relationship with the serious number of patients. Hola doctor, now Carol 20 081 38 39 7740 Mobuna 081 39 25 67 or Mobile office CI 103.5 Egon at the FM Ogidi. Get the European Hotel opposite Cape City Secondary School Ogunike. For heart-to-heart interaction Kike with us to why you know when I love life again is together. But now one laugh, keep us together. Now 103.5 Ebonadi FM. Do you need to be hooked up? Are you hooked already? Well, I see Kiki why you hook you going if correct. Do you need help to be engaged in a serious relationship? Try in a lab clinic 103.5 Ebonadi FM. Each nyiraga can also appreciate each of them. And again, on a love clinic every Wednesday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and every Thursday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is the time I am again where Bariko can hear Kenyaraya come up with a new or the mic and join and case. Don't miss this program because it's going to be educating and entertaining with lots of love.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be,
Our government,
whatever. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street Report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the root of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin on the force every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Martin Ebonadi 24/7, 24/7.
vacancy, vacancy, vacancy. Are you a DJ? Do you speak English and Igbo language fluently? Submit your CV and the letter of application at Ebonade 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Obunike Boys, inside Residency Hotel BOP Ogidi. Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Rock. Okay.